Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix laptop speakers crackling sound on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Right-click select Disabled Devices and also select Show Disconnected Devices, select Output Device, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Enhancements tab, check Disable All Enhancements, click Advanced tab. Change default format 1 by 1, select Best One, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of the device. Turn off spatial sound. Click Communications tab, check Do Nothing, click Apply, click OK. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.